This is a magnificent day. We're celebrating the groundbreaking for original Mount Vernon High School's renovation and really recreation and reuse. We have Congressman Byer here today, the chairman, McKay, and a number of other dignitaries to really recognize not only the history of more than 80 years, but also the responsibility that we have to continue to build on our community.
This was a building that was built by generations who worked hard, who toiled, who were the beginning of Fairfax County when this was built. Its historic ties to George Washington and Mount Vernon are clear. It's on the historic register for many of those reasons, but it took leadership of a lot of people to say, number one, we're going to make sure we restore this property, protect it, because it's an iconic building that has a lot of history on Fairfax County. And number two, we're going to make huge investments in this property to bring the entire community back into this building.
This facility was first constructed in 1939 in the Civilian Conservation Corps, a major federal program during the Depression. And this has been here teaching and reaching students and providing learning for generations. We need to restore it and really bring it back to its potential again, which is as a human development center, a place where folks, all up and down the highway, all in this area, where families can grow and children can thrive and seniors can have lifelong learning opportunities. It's truly a way for us to have the arts that are a critical part of really bringing a community alive and connecting residents with each other.
And as Supervisor Storck said, it took certainly a lot of money, but a lot of vision by a task force of people who worked on re-envisioning what this could be. Let's ask the community, what would you like to see happen with this building that the community owns? And so it really is a team effort. And I will tell you one other thing. For Route 1, you're looking at several $billion of investment in Fairfax County, in this historic Route 1 community, for our neighbors and the people who are here today to enjoy and be proud of the community that we live in.
So there's lots and lots of things that are going to come together to make sure that we open this facility in the summer of 2026 to a great applause and really great excitement for what this can mean for our future in the Mount Vernon and Franconia districts.